Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Blue Wave 15-foot by 48-inch Cobalt Steel Wall Pool. Make memories with family and friends in the comfort of your own backyard this summer with the Cobalt Above-Ground Swimming Pool. Manufactured from solid steel, this above-ground pool is designed to provide years of fun and entertainment. Installation is hassle-free since the kit includes everything needed for assembly and operation. Product benefits. Cobalt Pool is backed by a 2-year limited warranty. Includes a standard gauge blue liner, skimmer, filter system, hoses, and an A-frame ladder. Constructed from high-quality, treated steel, the pool wall and rails offer protection against corrosion and abrasion. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.